Welcome to 6 F Cumberland Terrace, one of Kingston Plantation's newest listings. Cumberland Terrace is a group of reverse floor plan townhomes that have the main living space on the second floor and the bedrooms on the first floor. This enables this floor plan to have large, great rooms with a fireplace and cathedral ceilings with skylights. The living room, dining room, and kitchen are all in one space. When you enter, you'll see the fireplace and a deck overlooking a very private green space with black iron fencing inside the hedges to provide security. This property has solar-powered skylights that are programmable, as well as an updated kitchen and dining area. The kitchen has new appliances, tile floors, and granite counters, and white shaker cabinets. The stairway has been rebuilt with wood railing and wood steps. Above the kitchen area is a third sleeping area with a closet overlooking the living room. Downstairs is the master bedroom with access to the private patio. All of the sliding glass doors have been replaced, and the patio area is very private. The master bath has been renovated also with new washer dryer, walk-in shower, new vanity. The second bedroom also has access to the patio area, and the bathroom that is next to it has been renovated also. Cumberland Terrace is the sister of Windsor Court, and they share a private pool. They also, owners of Cumberland Terrace, also have access to the oceanfront pool that's an easy walk or golf cart ride to the beach.